following day we were picked up for a 3-hour bus journey to reach the port for our Halong Bay 3-day 2-night cruise. Halong Bay is a famous UNESCO World Heritage Centre and is the setting for a number of films including Kong, Skull Island and James Bond Tomorrow Never Dies. It's known for emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands topped by rainforests. The first night we stayed on board, which was pretty cool, although we weren't a massive fan of the military style itinerary, and so we kind of did our own thing, like chilling out, taking in the epic views and flying the drone. After our night on board, we were up early for breakfast before heading on a traditional Vietnamese boat to a hidden lagoon. After that, we then set sail to spend the night on a secluded island and saw a couple of huge sea eagles along the way. Yeah, we haven't done much vlogging recently. We've enjoyed our time in Hanoi and we're now on a trip in Halong Bay, and we're spending a night on this secluded beach called, I think it's Cat Bay Island or Cat Bat Island. And if you can see behind me, the limestone rocks, the beaches, the island, it's just incredible. I think the group we're in, I think there's maybe 5 bungalows being used. I think there's only about 10 here anyway, so I think there's less than 20 people on this entire, little stretch. Absolutely remarkable place. I'm so chuffed that we came here. We could have done 2 nights on the cruise, but we did 1 night here and 1 night on the cruise last night, which was okay, but it was just a little bit too much itinerary going on. Jazz hated it. We had to be up for breakfast at like 7 AM and then out on a trip to a little cave, which was cool, but it's all on their sort of time schedule, which was a pain. But yeah, we're going to have a nice chill day here, enjoying it. We're also going to try and do a bit of kayaking. Our day and night on Cat Bat Island was one of the highlights of our trip for sure. We enjoyed a banquet of food, met some great people, and also welcomed a special guest to the beach. Yep, it turned out to be a pretty poisonous snake, and our guide handled it like a true professional. Just kidding, he ran off and got a big stick. If you enjoyed that, please leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to our channel.